Rezoactive. Hello everyone. That's your friend Dino and I'm your teacher Cheena. Welcome back. Tell me, how was your weekend? Me and Dino enjoyed. What we did, Dino? Right, we played with ball. See, ball. Right. Dino, tell me, from which letter ball starts? You also tell me from which letter ball starts. Think. Right, and right, Dino. It starts from letter B. Starts from letter B. Dino, what's that? Catch. What's that, Dino? What's that? Oh, that's B. B. From where did the bee came? From where did the bee came? Right, it came from the beehive. I have a question to Dino and to you all. You all know that bee produces honey, and which animal likes honey? Tell me, think. Right! Bear! Bear likes honey. Look! Bear is dancing. Dino want to dance? You all also want to dance? Then let's sing and dance with the bing and a bong and a boo. Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bingly, bongly, boo. Bong, bing, boo. Bing, bong, bing. Bing, bong, bingly, bongly, boo. That's my favorite from Peppa Pig. I know it's your favorite too. Okay, let's have a little recap. Now tell me, what did we play this weekend, Dino? Right, it's ball. Okay, next. There was something which came and I asked Dino to catch. What was that? Think. What was that? Right, it's bee. Okay. Now tell me, from where did the bee came? Tell me. Right, it came from beehive. Okay. There was someone who was dancing. Right, it was bear. You all are very smart, so you will get a star today. Well done, children. Bye. We'll meet in the next class.